Think about this for a second. It recommends your next favorite song. It helps you navigate through traffic. And right now, it's on the verge of changing our world in a ways we are only just beginning to imagine. This is the age of artificial intelligence, and trust me, it's not science fiction anymore. Hey everyone, and welcome to Data Surface. If you are new to here, this is the channel where we demystify the world of data technologies like SQL, Snowflake, DBT to the cloud and beyond. And today we are diving into the biggest one of them all, which is AI, artificial intelligence. So, what is AI really? Let's forget the science fiction robots for a moment and get real. At its core, artificial intelligence is all about trying to simulate human intelligence inside a machine. We are talking about creating systems that can actually learn from massive amounts of data, systems that can reason and connect the dots, that can solve incredibly complex problems, and that can perceive the world around them, whether that's through text, sound, or images. So, artificial intelligence is the process of simulation of human intelligence in mission, right? And here is the fact that might surprise you. 100% all of the AI we use today, from Siri to the most advanced medical tools, is what we call narrow AI. It's an absolute genius at one specific task, but it can't think for itself. So, what is this narrow AI? So, before jumping into that, let's quickly take a look at the journey of AI. Now, this revolution didn't just happen overnight. The dream of intelligence machines has begun a long and fascinating journey. The term artificial intelligence was officially born way back in 1956, and it kicked off a huge wave of optimism. Of course, there were some ups and downs, but a major moment came in 1997 when IBM's Deep Blue beat the world chess champion. That's when everyone realized a machine could actually master complex human like strategy. But the real explosion that happened in 2010s, we hit perfect storm of massive data, super powerful computers, and new breakthroughs in deep learning, and completely unleashed the AI era we are living in right now. So now let's go back to the what is narrow AI. So the AI world can be categorized based on their capabilities, mainly three categories. Starting with the narrow AI we have today, looking ahead to the theoretical general AI that would match human intellect, and even peeking into the speculative future of super AI. So, whatever we are seeing in AI era as of now, everything will comes under narrow AI. Coming to the second category, general AI, and third category, super AI. Those are moreover theoretical concepts. It might come in future. As of now, it is on papers only, right? So, like if you take any Siri, ChatGPT, Gemini AI, all this will comes under narrow AI because they perform one specific task, but they cannot think themselves. What is the limitations with the narrow AI? So now see how AI works, or and key subfields of this AI. So how does this all actually work? Well, AI isn't just one single thing. It's a collection of really powerful subfields working together, right? So AI isn't a monolithic. It is a collection of really powerful subfields working together. So the biggest one you probably heard of, machine learning. That's all about the teaching computers to learn from data. Like based on the trained data, we are going to train the systems. Then you have a natural language processing, or NLP, which is the magic that lets machines understand and talk back to us. Then the computer vision is the what allows an AI to see and make sense of the world. And the incredibly creative, which is so much buzz gaining in today's AI era, generative AI. So that's what powering all the new text, art, images, videos. So by using this generative AI, you can generate the new text or images or videos or music. Everything you can newly generate it. Right. So these are the key subfields. So all these subfields, they're delegating their tasks in their expertise, which is combining the AI era makes more powerful. So we will see deeply about this machine learning, NLP, computer vision, and generative AI in upcoming sessions. So this is just a kickstart video. I just want to give a brief overview about what is basically AI, where it will start, what are the subfields are there, how we can segregate it. So that is what I'm going to trying to make you people understand as part of this kickstart video. But in upcoming sessions, we will deep dive about each and every topic detailedly, and we can connect all the dot points so that we get a clear picture about the AI universe. So I'm more to the choosing the right AI. So how do you know which type of AI use for specific job? This is the important point, right? Like we have so many things in AI world, but you want to understand which AI is suitable for your use case, right? But how do you know which type of AI is for specific job? So if you want to automate tasks and improve efficiency, you are going to be looking at a machine learning. And need to, like, if you want to analyze the data and make predictions, that's where the real power of deep learning comes in. If you want to create a something totally new, like a art or text or image or video, that's the magic of generative AI. And if your goal is to enhance how we interact with the technology, you'll be using NLP and computer vision to help machines understand us better, right? So based on these are the key areas. Based on this requirement, you can choose your AI which is suitable for your use case. Now, if you coming to the AI in action for the real world applications, believe me, we are already seeing AI in the action all around us. In business, it's a total game changer for things like fraud detection. In the creative world, it is unlocking the brand new possibilities with the content generation by using generative AI. And in our daily lives, it's the engine behind everything from personalized marketing to the chatbots we talk to online, right? So everywhere the AI is involved. We are already there in the AI era, and we are utilizing the AI to simplify our jobs. So look, this is more than just technology. It's the future, and understanding it is the key to being a part of it. Welcome to the AI revolution right here in DataSurface. If you are ready to decode the future with us, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell because our journey is just getting started. I hope now you got like what is AI, like how many ways we can categorize the AI based on capabilities. So in upcoming video, we will deep dive about subfields, machine learning and deep learning. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.